Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're taking a look at the TacX Pro Gear Universal Inside the Waistband Holster, right-handed. They also make it left-handed. It comes with an extra magazine, case, and a flashlight. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the TacX Pro Gear Universal Inside the Waistband Holster for your right hand. Comes with the holster, the magazine pouch, and I already did a review on the flashlight. I'll have a link to the TacX Pro Gear playlist so you can check that out. Okay, if your gun does not fit, trim a few threads as shown with the knife until proper fit. Okay, if you look at it, you're supposed to trim off a few of these threads that go down the seam. Okay, now I went ahead and I got a bunch of different size handguns. Even got one revolver. Now this is my High Point model JCP 40 Smith & Wesson. It's the biggest gun I actually own, and to be honest, it's like a brick and I hardly ever carry it. Okay, you can see it goes in. You're going to have to trim that down a whole heck of a lot. I mean a whole heck of a lot to get that strap on around. And the strap is a little elastic, but barely. So that's not going to work. This is my Taurus TX 22. See how that fits in here. Okay, you'd have to trim that off a little bit for this. And once again, oh no, look at that! I'll be darned. Okay, I'm actually pleasantly surprised right now. Wow, that slid in there rather nice. Now this is my Kel-Tec P11 9mm. That fits in perfect. Okay, that I like. That right there, yeah, that's perfect fit. You might have a little room in there for a laser sight even. You can't mount a laser sight to it, but you get the idea. Now this is my Phoenix Arms 22 long rifle. That slides right in. Snaps right shut. It's a little loose in there, but that's something I could actually work with that. Okay, that works. This is my Taurus G3 9mm. I just got this one. Trust me, you'll be seeing a video on it in the near future. Okay, it kind of fits in there. Go ahead. And that snaps. See, that really pleases me. Because if I'm going to carry, it's going to be something about this size. Not necessarily 22, not necessarily a 9mm. Trust me, I have other pistols. But something about this size. Then I'll carry something about this size for a backup. And the Heritage Rough Rider 22. and that fits. Snap shut. So far, I gotta say I'm rather impressed. And it's not just because it's a sponsored video. Everybody knows who's been watching the channel for a while. Doesn't matter if it's sponsored or not, I'm always honest. That might get snagged. Okay. So far, I'm impressed with the holster. I really am. Then you got your magazine holder. Let's drop this one out. This is for the TacX 22. Fits nice. Taurus G3 9mm. That fell out. And let's go to the Kel-Tec 9mm. Okay. I'd be careful shoving it down too far. Or if you got a smaller mag, maybe put something in the bottom, like maybe cut a piece of wooden dowel rod to length, shove it down in there so you can still pull it out easy. Now the flashlight, like I said, I'll have a link, you can see the review. I carry this almost every day. When I say almost every day, I just don't stick it in my pocket. But I'm going to say at least, oh man, pretty much, I think I forgot it once and I didn't need it. I just left it on the table. Now this is my normal carry holster. It's by Miltech USA. Now these come from a USA company. I'm not 100% sure if they're made in the USA, but it's a small family-owned business. The thing I like about this one is the straps are Velcro. You can adjust them. Okay, I'm really impressed by how well this little bit of elastic actually works. But this one's also left or right. You can take this clip off and put it on the other side. I'd like to see something like that on this. Okay, so you can switch it back and forth. The thing I don't like about this holster is you take your pistol, you put your magazine in there like that. Now this can be worn inside or outside just by moving the clip right here. It'd be right hand outside. You move it to the other side, it'd be right hand inside. That'd be another nice feature for this. I like the neoprene against your skin better than I would this canvasy type material. But the thing I don't like about this is the magazine holder, because it's on your right hand side, so when you go to draw your gun, you gotta move your gun to your left hand, pull the magazine out, move your gun back to the right hand. It makes too many moves. I like having the magazine holder separate. But I mean, if they added an adjustable clip where you can take it from one side to the other, that would be perfect. That would be perfect. And maybe a piece of Velcro like they have on here. So I mean, I can adjust that for however big, however small I want it. Okay. But let's go ahead. Oh, one thing nice about this. Okay, right now, this is inside the waistband, right hand carry. But you can use it for left hand outside the waistband. Just put this on your left hand side, clip it to your belt. Let's go ahead, I'll get it on and show you how it looks. I got it on now. Now you can see it really doesn't stick out much. But the thing it doesn't have for me is maybe a little more of material to go around. But that's personal preference. But it fits well, it's comfortable, I can still move. Okay. It's in there snug. and undo the strap, pull it out, the holster stays in. Now this is my Taurus G3 9mm. So, and there we go. It does have a nice retention on it, on the clip. Like I said, you can hook it to your belt on the other side and use it as an outside the waistband. Okay, the only thing I don't like about this is, like I said, with this one, it's more universal and you move the clip to the left or to the right. The strap's adjustable. I wouldn't have a problem with it if it wasn't called a universal holster, but they do tell you it's for a certain side, like right inside the waistband. But it could also be used for the left side, outside the waistband. So, is it universal? Yeah, somewhat, yeah. And you have this nice piece of, I'm guessing, plastic. Keep a form in there to make the gun easier to get in and out. The flashlight and this are already a bonus. So for the value, it goes for $21.97. I'll have a link down below in the playlist. I also have it in my Amazon store. You're looking at 3 things for $22. I think it's well worth it. If you did go, like I said, with the clip, make that more universal. For this, I'd happily pay. If you did that, I'm going to say at least 30 bucks. If you did that, I wouldn't even complain about 40, so about 35. If you actually improved it a little bit, made a little adjustment to this. But yeah, for 22 bucks, I'm telling you, go out, give it a try. Is it universal? For the most part. It just depends on which side you're going to carry it on. Okay, so with all that rambling going on, overall, the price point, oh man, to me, it's a value. Yeah, I know I got it for free. But if I pay 22 bucks for this, all here, I'd be quite happy. The clip on the magazine holder has a good retention. I'm going to give this a 4.5 out of 5 stars. You guys are almost there. You almost made the perfect holster. Just make it a little more universal. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button somewhere up here. And as always, thanks for watching.